Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about the most underestimated, neglected part of our body, and that is our feet. Every girl out there who wants to be a classy lady should know that if you take care of your feet, you already comes into the category of being a classy lady. How are you taking care of your feet? Are you taking care of your feet using your pedicures? Are you going to the salon for the pedicure? Here I'll make you learn how to make your feet look good using your pedicures. If you can't go to salon right now, guess what? You can do it at your home. You just need to buy a pedicure kit and you're good to go. So I'll teach you how to do it, how to use it, and whenever you are having a free time, you just follow it at your home and make your feet look good. So shall we start? Want to make your feet look good? Keep watching. if you are thinking like I can't do it at salon, just buy a pedicure kit at home and start doing it at home. Either have your nails like this, like without having any nail paints, or if you wanna have a nail paint, make sure you maintain that nail paint for 2-3 days properly, and as soon as you get to know that it is gonna be chipped, just remove it completely or apply a fresh nail paint. Do not have chipped nail polishes, ladies. That really doesn't look good. And coming back to the size of your nails, low to medium is always a good go. Do not have too long nails, especially on the toes. It doesn't look good. One major fact is the toes nails are anyways gonna take a long time to grow. Try to have a shorter nail length. Don't go for too long nail lengths for your toes, so that your hands and feet can look really clean and good, right? If you really want to appear very classy, do not go for nail arts. Just have a solid nail paint and do not go for the nail arts, girls. You want to look more sophisticated, just either have a proper nail paint or just like go with no nail paint at all. That is far better than having a chipped nail polishes. Never have chipped nail polishes and nails. That never looks good. Let me know in the comment section. Are you guys also taking care of your feet using your pedicure kits or using your pumice stones? During shower you can use it, and I have 2 or 3, so you know, you can see that you can use, even men can use pumice stones to, you know, get rid of their dead skin cells and make their feet look good. So I hope you like this video, guys. Give it a thumbs up. Do let me know in the comments section which pedicure procedures you are majorly interested in and doing, and if you're not, whether you have started or not, and did you like the video or not. If anybody is a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. I make fashion videos. You can subscribe to my channel. There is a red button down there, just click on that. So if you have any more questions, feel free to reach out to me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is deararchie.36. If you have any request for making any more new videos, new suggestions for the topic, let me know in my Instagram account. It's a business account. Till then, take care and bye bye.